Alright, should be live to, well, should be recording. Not live yet. A moment. No, that's the playlist. So where's the visibility? Public. And should be live. Gonna get the link. Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. There we go. Alright. I am live and ready to work, I guess. So, I did a bit of stuff since the last stream that I didn't stream because, I need to think about the math for it. But I did a lot of stuff with these, arcs. Although at the moment I've got them attached to the guns, which is not how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be the slash effect is going to be for sword attacks, and right now the sword shoots bullets. So that's what I'm going to be fixing today. Hello. Yeah. Okay. So what I'm thinking here is that for a lot of the weapons, I'm going to have a subclass or a child class to the weapon class, so I can modify the attack functionality with just whatever code. Well, for that I'm gonna need like a weapon logic loader, something like that. I have a video and animation. Okay, so weapons. So there's a way to import. But, you know, I'm gonna see how I did this for my other project here. Wait, where did I put it? So for my devlog project, I had a module loader that would load the entities like dynamically, so I don't have to write anything, which was very convenient. Where did I put it? Our rapid potato prototype. Scripts. Where did it go? Entities. Script loader.py. How did I do this? Okay. So apparently there's this import function, I guess. So I can take this essentially. Now. Okay, so I'm gonna make a new weapons script that can just manage everything, I guess. So weapons.py, not to be confused with weapon.py. So import OS for script in os.list directory data scripts weapons. If script not in high cache, then I'm going to want to import it. Oh, so the tricky thing here, can I set, yeah, I think I can do this with rows of imports. This is going to be a list for now, even though it's one value. I might want to exclude other stuff later. So, oh, how should I do this? Oh, I guess I need to get the name of the weapon. How should I do this? I believe I can do m equals import. I can't type. Import data dot scripts dot weapons, and then I just go script, and you want to chop off the .py at the end. And let's see, I can do a from. Do anyone? I don't think I want that. I'm gonna just print out m. So I'm going to add a weapon here. So I'm just gonna call it sword for now, sword.py. I'm gonna do from dot. So it should be up a directory, weapon, import weapon. That might work. And then I can do class sword weapon. And inherit from the weapon. Def init self. Actually, I'm just gonna do pass for now. And now over here in my module loader, let's see. It should be able to print out all this stuff. Let's see what happened. Oh wait, I need to actually run the module loader. So actually all I have to do for that is go over here. Should this be under assets maybe? Should the weapon scripts be considered an asset? That's an interesting question. I'm going to consider it one because it's kind of loaded like one. So from dot weapons, and just import dot weapons as weapons. There we go. Oh, I didn't like that. I guess from dot import weapons. I always forget the way you're supposed to do this. Cannot find data scripts weapons. What? It's right here. Hold on, I'm gonna read chat. I actually haven't been growing fast like in the last couple weeks. The growth actually slowed down. Although if you consider the last year, then yeah, I've been growing fast. What theme am I using? It's a default one. Okay. So... Oh, actually no, it's... Oh. Where does it think it is? Oh, the scripts are not under data, are they? No, they're not. That'll do it. So it's literally just that. No module name data.scripts. Wait, did it? Oh. Scripts. Ooh, no module name scripts.weapon.sword. Oh wait, that's gonna be confusing. Because the other script is also called weapons, and Python doesn't know the folder from the script. Actually, I'm gonna switch it like that. Rename. Let's see what happens now. Cannot find script/weapons. All right, I gotta do weapon objects. So there we go. And wait, what is? That's my inventory. Why is my inventory being printed out? Anyways, so it's got it imported scripts. Huh. That's interesting. But class name should be equal to hold on, script name equals script, take that, and it can go script name, and then script name 0 dot upper plus script name and everything after the first character. So I just capitalized the first part. And with that, what's next? Oh, I need the plus weapon. Let's make sure I got this right. Sword weapon. Good. So with that, I can do, I think, from, wait, let me check a reference here. From list equals, and then I just do class name. Boy. Wait, I think I know I'm gonna need this, because this is a little bit different than what I did before. It's a bit hacky. Oh, you got the sword object. So now print M, or get attribute of M, class name. There we go. You see the sword weapon there. So that's a module editor, I guess. And I'll use the name of the file as the key for it. I'm gonna store these on a dictionary. So weapons equals that, I guess. Actually, I'm going to make it a constant, because it's a dynamically generated constant, but during runtime it's a constant, so I'm going to keep it that way. So all I have to do is weapons script name equals that. And now if I print out weapons, you'll see sword, and then it gives me that object, which is good. So now I need some sort of way to get new weapons, because under my player thing, where's my player? I guess I don't have it in here. Hold on, I'm going to clean this up. There's too many things open. Okay, so if I go over to the player, where's the player? Here. I am doing this. That's not pretty. So I'm going to add a function for creating weapons, which will use the appropriate class based on the name. I'm just gonna read chat real quick though. Yes, this is not VS Code, it's Atom. Okay, so I'm going to go over here. I'm going to create a function called def add, def create weapon. I believe there's a couple parameters it's going to need here. So it needs the game self and the owner. Wait, this thing can know what the game is, I guess. Wait. Yeah. So weapon self.game self sword. It's going to be game owner type. Weapon type. I don't want to conflict with the built-in function. So I can return weapons weapon type ooh, just going to need the weapon class as well. So from dot import weapon. No, from dot weapon import weapon. You know, I've looked at the word weapon so many times now, and it's starting to look strange. Weapon. Actually, so what I'm going to do is if weapon type in weapons, then you return that and you initialize it with the game owner and weapon type. Else, return weapon and then game owner weapon type. There we go. Wait, why are you guys talking about capitalization? Why do you not? Wait, there's a capitalize function? Alright. I can't type. I'm not seeing that. It might be a newer thing. Is it? Oh, dot capitalize? Huh. Well, it doesn't matter at this point though, because I already did it. I forgot the T at import. Oh, oops. Thanks. Upper is, the way I wrote it, only does the first letter. I'm not going to do a video on object-oriented programming, or like, if I do, it's not going to be presented as the way you should necessarily do it. It's going to be presented as the way I do it, because the way I do it is probably not the way you're supposed to do it. Okay, so I can do from dot weapons import, and I can grab this one function. What is it? Create weapon. And I can go over here, create weapon. And in theory, this should work. Not sure what's going to happen with the sword. That's going to be interesting. Oh, it worked. So does the sword work the same as before? I guess it just uses all of the parent stuff, since there's nothing to find in there. But what I can do, if I go over to, where's the sword? For testing purposes, def init self args. Super dot init init args print hi. Just make sure it's running. Yep, and that's going. So I can do stuff from here. I don't think I need to mess with the init. I only have to mess with the attack function. So this is the standard thing. Oh, you know what I need to add? I need to add an infinity thing to my font, because if you look, I have, as a part of my user interface, I need to like fix that. Let me see, max DT. But as a part of my user interface, on the top left, it says how much ammo I've got left, and like how much is in the weapon or whatever before I have to reload and whatnot. But that doesn't quite apply to swords, so what I'm probably going to do is just do like infinity/0. So the stuff after the slash is what you have like in store, so they can use for reloads and whatnot. And then the first number is just how much is left in the weapon. So if the first number is infinity, that makes sense. Or potentially, never mind. Wait. So, okay, so what was I doing again? Oh yeah, I need to draw an infinity for my font here. Data, images. Wait, no, is it? No. Fonts. So under small font, you can go in here and add an infinity. Although I do need the well, hold on.